What it do, YouTube? This your guy, Mr. Whatnot, man. Back up in here again with another video, man. Today we got going on, man. We finna hook something up, man, for my guy, man. This is my guy right there. Say what's up to him, fella, man.
What's up with y'all? What's up, big man?
Yeah, that's what's up, man. Today, man, what we're gonna be doing, man, we finna hook my guy, Roy Pedal up. If y'all don't know what a Roy Pedal is, man, it's something like your pedal commander, pedal box, you know, what everybody got going on, but it give you that right there, you know what I mean? Not necessarily no more horsepower, but it give you that But let me show you what the Roy Pedal is, man. This is right here. Check it out. This is what it look like right here. And you know, I got one on my car also. Like I said, it give you race mode, the sport mode, then the sport, the eco, and normal, you know what I mean? So it's pretty good, man. You know, it go all the way up to 9 from 1 to 9. This is what I'm hooking it up on, man. Yeah, we finna get them right, man. And yeah. You see, you got the A on back of that, man. You see that double A right there, man. Don't play with it. All American muscle, man. Yeah, you see it, man. You see it. So, yeah, you see she over there covered up. Let's get right on to it, man. That's eco. That is SU is race mode. FU is Sport Plus, and HA is Sport. Then you can turn it up. Each one, all of them go up to 9, man. And you know, he already know how that car ride anyway. You know what I mean? Cause he have did some things to it, but we're gonna get this reaction right here, man.
More to come.
More to come. Let's see if it's working. So when you start, you want to start on the high mode, or you want to start down low?
I'm gonna start on high.
You want to start on high? Alright, I'll tell you what. Go that way, then we're gonna come back. Turn it around, do a U-turn. Alright, we're gonna turn this thing on. Turn all the way up to race mode. Feel the difference. You feel that takeout?
Yeah.
That
And this is a little trick, you know, for y'all who don't know. Hold the pedal shifter down for a couple of seconds, and you can drive your car in manual drive without shifting yourself. It'll automatically do a manual drive. This is a demonstration.
Hey, man. You see that shit? That's what I mean. Like then come back up off the way. Now you feel what I'm talking? You feel that? You feel the difference, man? Then you got it on race mode, nigga.
I ain't gotta get no scat take that.
Oh.
Damn, running, man.
That's what I'm talking about.
Ain't need no amateur with this, bro.
That's what I'm talking about. We're gonna make that first left after you pass you'll see, after you pass the restaurant. And I'm gonna turn the camera back on in a minute, hold on. Hey, you finna hit motherfucker that got sideways, man, for real. I did. Oh, you talking about? Okay. Well, we can do it. We'll do it in the daylight.
Yeah.
Nah, we'll do it in the daylight. I got you.
It be a natural to me now.
But like, yeah, you can play with them settings however you want to drive, man. But I know this how you gonna drive anyway, so like, it is what it is.
Man,
You know, you can keep it on the high mode or turn it down some, but hey, you got it hooked up. There you go, man. Roy Pelter, man. Y'all go
Appreciate
get
it,
y'all one, man. Hey, you gotta make sure y'all hit that like button for me, man. Hit that like button. My guy like it, man. You know, hey, he chuck it cheese.
love
You
this
know.
motherfucker.
Hey, he been waiting on it for a minute, man. He been waiting on it. So, like I said, man, he got it. I have one, man, and hey, man, that ain't no joke, man. So, yeah. I got one. 345 game, man. Don't play with it, man. You hear me? Don't sleep on it. Don't sleep. So, but like I said, man, yeah, I look a little rough, but who cares? You get it raw and uncut, man. You know what I mean?
It ain't grand season.
It's grind season, man. Got time. I shave later.
Man,
But yeah, man. I love it, man. I love the. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh. You see that Roy they give you, man? You see that Roy give you, man?
appreciate that, big bro.
Man, most definitely, man. I got my guy hooked up, man. He feeling good, man. I got my guy right. He good. He hooked up. You know, that's all he been talking about. Can't wait, man. I can't wait till I get that Roy Pelter, man. And he finally got it.
I like that.
But that's what's up.
I love it. I already.
Yes, sir, man. He in there. She ready to come out. Yeah, she ready to come out and play, but I know, look at her. Trying to talk to me. But other than that, man, I keep dropping my phone. There's some bloopers. But like I said, man, I got my guy hooked up, man, with this Roy Pelter, man. I'm gonna put that information down below in my description, man. But it's real simple to hook up. It's real easy. It's good, man. I like it. I ain't had no problem with it, man. I take off on you, man. So don't play with it. I take off on you. You hear me? You gotta get used to it. You feel it though. You feel it.
Yeah.
Man, that's the good thing, man.
You want to jump out that deep water, man, you gotta know how to drive.
Yeah. You got to. He said it right, man. Especially playing with these things right here. Well, in the car. You know what I mean? So.
Wow.
But other than that, man, like I said, man, appreciate y'all for watching me. Y'all make sure you hit that like button, man. Comment, subscribe, tell me what you think about it, what you want me to do next. My guy leaving, man, that sound good. I want to see how it sounds. Hey, my guy Wild, man. But that's what's up, man. We got it hooked up, man. Y'all see his dog, man. I'm out here in the dog. Peekaboo face, man. But anyway, man. Yeah. And that's it, man. And that's gonna do it for me, man. That's gonna do it. And y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel, man. That's gonna do it for me. I could have turned the light off. It's dark out here and everything. Let me turn the hallway light on or something. Yeah, there I go. But again, man, yeah, thank y'all for watching me, man. Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel, man. Yeah, I had to go out there and hunt my guy, man, but I'm gonna put the description to that pedal box down below in my description, man. Other than that, man, y'all be easy, be safe out here, man. Protect yourself, watch everybody surround you. I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Yep.